Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to store ripe bananas for up to 6 months. How many times have you bought some bananas and for some reason time flies or you forget? Next thing you know, the bananas are ripe and almost ready for the bin. Bananas can go bad within days once they become ripe. There's a lot of different ways to store ripe bananas. I will show you the way that I've done it and it works out wonderfully. So join me as I show you how I store ripe bananas to last for 6 months. The stored ripe bananas can be used in smoothies, sorbets, ice creams, smoothie bowls, banana breads, and all kinds of things. The easiest way to store ripe bananas, which is what I'm going to do, is simply peel them first, cut them into bits, and then freeze them in a Ziploc bag. Freezing ripe bananas is a good way to preserve them for long, because it buys you a lot of time. When freezing ripe bananas, do not leave them in their skin and put them in the freezer, because when they are rock hard, you'll be unable to peel the skins off the ripe bananas. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, comment and like, and I'll see you in the next video.